Hi, I'm Dr. Murray Orr from Australia, and I'm really excited to bring you this quick video about how to finish and polish CEREC restorations. When I started my CEREC journey, you couldn't do this. Well, at least in my experience, I didn't know how. And so these are just a few of the little things that I've learned along the way, and I hope it's of value to you in your clinical practice. It's not a long process. It may seem like it the first time when you watch the video, but very soon you'll be finishing all of your single units in a couple of minutes or less, and the glazed surface won't wear away. No patient's going to look in the back of the mouth and ask you why you didn't put stain in the tooth. And yeah, they're beautiful restorations that I think are worth a try. So enjoy the process, enjoy the video, and enjoy your CERECing most of all.